AI is taking your job, your art, your search bar, probably your toaster by Friday. More than 900 million people now use ChatGPT every week. Tiny problem. Most people still cannot explain what AI actually means. But do these have AI too? Autocorrect, email completion, maps routing, spam filters, recommendations? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Some tools follow rules, some use statistics, some use machine learning, and modern apps often blend all three together. An algorithm is just a set of instructions, like a recipe. Every AI uses algorithms, but so does your microwave, and nobody thinks it is plotting world domination. Think of AI as the umbrella. Machine learning is one branch. Deep learning is inside that. Generative AI creates content, and LLMs specialize in language. Generative AI learns patterns from existing data, then uses those patterns to create new text, images, audio, video, and increasingly weird pictures of celebrities eating spaghetti. Large language model. A dramatic name for a system that predicts which pieces of language are most likely to come next. First, your words get chopped into tokens. Take unbelievable, believe, able, and even the exclamation mark. Models work with pieces, not just whole words, peanut butter and jelly. You predicted that from experience. An LLM does the same basic thing, just with vastly more data, context, parameters, and math. Underneath the friendly chatbot is probability, matrices, weights, and billions of calculations deciding what should come next. Very impressive. Still math. During training, it processes enormous collections of books, websites, articles, forums, code, and other examples, then adjusts its internal numbers whenever its predictions are wrong. It does not memorize everything like a giant filing cabinet. It learns patterns, like seeing millions of cats until it just knows what a cat looks like. That is why it can explain quantum physics, then confidently tell you aliens built the pyramids. It predicts what sounds plausible, not what is guaranteed to be true. Training data differs by model, but it is mostly public data from across the internet, big companies, universities, and websites, plus some licensed and synthetic sources. It does not automatically crawl through your DMs, camera roll, or browser history. But anything you upload, connect, or type may follow that product's privacy settings, so check them. And now, the machine's evil fortress. Dark, expensive, glowing ominously. Presumably powered by lightning, robot souls, and your deleted search history. Actually, a data center is just a building full of computers, storage, networking equipment, cooling systems, and people trying very hard to keep everything from catching fire. Netflix uses data centers, YouTube, TikTok, gaming, email, websites, cloud storage. AI is just one tenant, and so is everyone else. There is no single honest number. Text, images, coding, and video use wildly different amounts. The model, the task, the hardware, the place, it all matters. So let us look at real numbers. Using reported averages, 100 text chats use around 34 watt-hours. 10 generated images, about 17. A harder reasoning task may use 5 to 10. But one short, low-quality AI video can use around 115. Video is the expensive one. For ordinary text chat, reported water use is roughly 0.26 to 0.32 milliliters per prompt. A few drops. 100 prompts is about 2 tablespoons. 1,000 is roughly 1 mug. But the same water use does not hit every place equally. Recycled water in a healthy watershed is not the same as fresh water pulled from a drought-stressed community. The real question is, can the local community spare it? And when companies receive tax breaks while residents inherit strained utilities or higher infrastructure costs, that is not the robot. That is a deal approved by corporations, utilities, and elected officials. Machine did not approve the permits. People did. Demand transparent reporting, local water limits, company-funded grid upgrades, and community benefit agreements. Do not just stare at the robot. Look at the handshake behind it. AI has real costs: electricity, water, hardware, infrastructure. But panic hides the people making the decisions. Bad policy makes those costs hurt more. So do not fear the buzzword. Follow the power. and demand accountability.